So the first step in creating this project is to cut out my design in vinyl. I bought a monogram letter off of Etsy and I uploaded it to Cricut Design Space. And I need it to be a smaller size, so I unlock it, made it to 10 by 8.5 inches, and relocking the image. And now I'm gonna add my name, actually in all caps would be better. I experimented with different fonts, but I liked Kannada MD the best. And then I'm just gonna resize it. And I wanted to do all uppercase so that there's nothing hanging out of it, out of the border, like a G would like go below the line. So all uppercase was easier. And I'm gonna make it black. Select the whole image and weld it together so that they both cut together. And then make it. Very important to remember to mirror the image because it's iron on. And turn on my Cricut maker. I'm using Cricut brand glitter iron on with the default pressure. I already did a test cut just to check because the glitter iron-on is thicker than normal, so I did do the test. And then I'm gonna cut it out and show you the next step after weeding. So I weeded out my design on Cricut glitter iron-on. I bought on Amazon a 2-layer casserole dish holder, insulated. So what we're going to do to get the design on is I have my easy press set to 330 for 30 seconds, and that's what it said to do on the Cricut website and the heat guide. And then I have my easy press mat I'm going to place underneath. I had a hard time finding the selection, like what kind of material to use. So I just went with polyester when I was using the heat guide. Hopefully this works. This will be my first time using glitter iron-on. So I have my design. Press it on. And then I'm going to use, because this is polyester, I want to protect it, I'm going to use a parchment paper and put it over. And let's see what happens. So 330 with the easy press, 30 seconds. And then there's one section sticking out right here that wasn't underneath the press. So I'm gonna have to do that portion. Looks okay. All right. Okay. So it's a cool release. So I'm going to stop the camera and come back in about 5 minutes. Okay, so I came back after it cooled and this side worked well. Everything came off okay, but the bottom didn't stick. So what we're going to do, I heated up my mini, what's it called? The Easy Press Mini. I don't know, the smallest one. I put it on high. And then on the website, it said the mini with glitter iron-on, and I chose wine bag this time to see if that mattered, and it said high for 15 seconds. So we're gonna kind of just go over this part for a little bit and then concentrate on the name, because if you can see here, it didn't catch. And I'm gonna put the parchment over to protect the rest of the material. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool and test it out again. Okay, so it's cool. I'm gonna peel back the carrier sheet. So that looks good. Everything's on pretty secure. No edges popping up. So if I had to do this again, I would definitely use the small press versus the easy press. I think it's also better for like the backing. It wasn't damaged or anything underneath, but I think it's less heat overall, and it did a better job for the details. So yeah, I'll leave the monogram link in the description box along with the font details and all of that. Yes, for more ideas, Christmas ideas, subscribe. Thanks.